Alright, we are coming to clean Little Pig's pen again. And then we're gonna, again, do these walkways. That way and that way. And then we'll go out there and pooper scoop again. These are the tools we'll be using as usual. And we're gonna use these trash bins because they're big enough to get them all and not have to keep walking back and forth with the wheelbarrows. So we're gonna be using these. Hello, Biggins. Did I wake you up? Hey. No, it's okay. I think we've done this enough to know that I'm friendly, alright? I'm just gonna come and get your hay. I know it's cold out. It sucks. I'm gonna come get your hay. And then I'm gonna replace it with some new hay so you can sleep comfortably. Alright, so this is usually when I would put that powder down all over the wet areas and then come in here and fluff out some new straw. But we don't have the, I think she called it PDZ, some stall freshener pellets. So I'm waiting to see if she wants me to go to the store or not. Otherwise, we're going to just put some new hay in here and we'll just have to throw some in here next time. But if we don't use the powder, I'm going to go back in there with the broom and just kind of try and, just spread it around so it'll dry up faster and see if I can't maybe just throw some water in there to kind of clear it up and push the water out to this drain. I'd say that looks just good enough to sleep in, don't you? Come on, here with the rake and just kind of. Yeah, it's just good enough to sleep in. Look at the little piggies out here getting some sunlight. Yeah. So you don't have to sit in the barn all day. I know you ain't feeling well, but you could sit out here and get some sunlight. Might be good for you, you know? Yeah. Sorry you're not feeling well. Your bed's ready though. You got some fresh bed in there. Alright, so we have gotten all that cleaned up. and that cleaned up, and then gave them some new bedding. They tell me I don't have to spread it out because the pigs will do it, but I don't know. I guess I feel helpful. So we're not doing big pig today, so we're gonna cut it all off right there, and we're gonna get all this cleaned up, and then we're gonna come out here and we're gonna pooper scooper again. I decided not to throw any water down in the pen today because I started thinking about it, and it is like super cold. I mean, I saw 2 whole snowflakes yesterday. Two snowflakes. I seen them yesterday. Apparently it was snowing earlier that morning, but I pulled an all-nighter at the hood cleaning job, so I was sleeping. But anyways, yeah, when I got up, I saw 2 snowflakes. But anyways, I decided not to put water in it because it's so cold, and I don't want to, risk letting the water get all frozen or something because it can't dry because it's so cold. And then next thing you know, the pigs go in there and then they're freezing cold or something. So I just swept out the moist areas so it'll dry up quicker, and fluffed up all that hay and threw it all over the place, and hopefully it'll absorb on the bottom layer and everything will be fine until they get that pellet stuff. So for starters, I'm just going to come in here and kind of sweep this up right here. Try and keep the hay that's green with the hay that's green, And I'm going to throw that right up here on top of it. That way it can be used and not wasted. And then the rest of that, I'll just take out with the rest. Alright, now we have swept both these halls. We have swept this area here. We gotta get this pile up. And then we're gonna go out there, like we said, and straighten up out here, kind of pooper scoop and rake a little. But I wonder, these things here must be pretty bad off by now. I wonder if I can't just take a few of them up and clean it out so the water will drain the way it's supposed to. Alright, so we have pooper scooped all the large visible chunks of pooper. That's another job done. We've done our walkways here. Swept them all out, got them all up. We've got the hay in the truck. Now all we're gonna have to do is dump the barrels. I'd say we're looking pretty good today. Out of curiosity, I went and got me a tool so I can yank up that drain there to see how bad it is underneath. Maybe. See there? That's what I was afraid of. All that. It smells like straight piss. That's what we're gonna scoop out of there. Get this drain going. We'll probably do that side. Well, obviously we're gonna do that side because what's the point in doing one and not the other, right? So we're gonna go ahead and do that for her. Scoop that out and get that cleaned up too. Ew. I think this is bad enough to make you want to go back and work in the greasy ass kitchen. Ugh. That's trifling. What's up, Biggins? Huh? You have fun out there in the field? See what I'm doing? In here cleaning your mess up. You always making a mess. Alright, so we finished cleaning out all them drains and rinsed them out. Now we're about to go dump this hay and finish up. Alright, well that's a wrap. Like I said, cleaned out all these gutters and rinsed off the caps and put them back on. Kind of made a mess, but it's alright. We got everything cleaned up on the floors. What you over there talking about, huh? Why? You done dragged that in there, didn't you? Yes, you did. Yeah, so we got everything cleaned up. We got all the pooper scooper done. And those pigs are now over there all happy and sleeping again. Out here is all cleaned up and raked up. And the truck has been dumped. So I'd say that's a wrap for today, you guys. But until the next video, peace out.